Today I'm going to be showing you Wet Ones Antibacterial Hand Wipes. This is the tropical splash scent of these wipes. This is a 20 wipe container. I love how small and compact it is. This is perfect for like when me and my boyfriend go hiking and we have a picnic that we carry with us and we want to hygienically cleanse our hands before we start eating. This is one of the main ways that we use Wet Ones. But say if you have a baby and you need to perform some incontinence care, or maybe you're performing incontinence care on an elderly relative, this would be another use for these Wet Ones. What I particularly like about this is the wet and lock seal. So when I open this up, I can take out a wet one and start using it. But then when I'm done, I just push this back down and it will automatically lock and seal in freshness, which is just super helpful. It makes sure that the wet ones do not dry out. And I really think this is like a great invention by the makers of Wet One. Great product, highly recommend to others.